guys, I lost a bet with Renee, so I had to come up with a chicken recipe. And as you can hear, the oven just beeped, so when we're ready for it, it's ready for us. By the way, the recipe that we're doing is called Chipper Chicken Casserole. Renee, if you could take half that rice and put it in the casserole dish.
Alright, got some white rice here, and we'll put half of that in the casserole dish. Alright, we have half of our rice inside the pan, and what are we gonna do next?
Half of our cheddar cheese.
Alright. Got the cheddar cheese here, and we'll add half of that. Alright, so the cheese is in, and now Crystal has got a new technique for us. We haven't done this before, but we're gonna mix the cheese and the rice together. Start doing that. Alright, our rice and cheese are all mixed together.
That looks good.
Yes, it does. What should we do next, Crystal?
Now, here comes the tomatoes.
Alright. Got a can of tomatoes here, diced tomatoes, with basil, garlic, and oregano. Should we add the whole can?
Yes.
Alright. Do we want to just layer that?
Yes.
Or? Okay. Alright, we got our tomato layer on and we're looking good. What's next?
Now you're going to use the rest of that rice.
Alright. Alright, so we've got our next rice layer on. And this recipe seems different than anything we've done before, but I'm sure it's going to taste yummy no matter what. What should we do next?
Now, you see that chicken?
Chicken, yep, we got our chicken all cooked and chopped up for us.
Okay, now you're gonna put that.
All of it?
Yeah.
Alright.
And you're gonna mix it instead of...
Alright, our chicken is on. We'll set that to the side. So we've got black beans and our white kidney beans. And we're gonna put those in our other bowl, right, Crystal?
Yep.
And mix them?
Yep.
All right. All right, so our beans are mixed and we're gonna add them to the top of our casserole. All right, our beans are on, and last we're gonna season with first some onion powder. All right, onion powder's on, and some garlic powder. Crystal said lots of garlic powder. That was definitely lots of garlic powder.
We don't need to keep the lid off because the cheese is in the middle, not on top, so.
All right, so we've got our lid on and we're ready for the oven. What did we preheat the oven to again?
375.
Okay, and how long should we cook this for?
I'm gonna say 20 minutes because
All right.
everything's already cooked.
All right, and then we'll be back after that. All right, so we cooked it in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. It is done. It looks yummy. I can't wait to give this a try, and I hope you do too. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.